Hello everyone, we hope your day is going well. Welcome to our latest video. Today we will be discussing a new feature we've recently introduced, custom instructions. With custom instructions, you can enhance the relevance and accuracy of your responses by incorporating specific company data insights. You can also set the tone of your chatbot using these instructions, which can range from being casual, friendly, professional, or even neutral. Additionally, you can determine the length of the responses, making them short or long, based on your preference. There's also a feature that allows you to specify topics the bot should avoid. Now, let's see how to incorporate these features into our chatbot. For this tutorial, we have created a bot named Custom Instructions Bot. Let's click on the Settings button to proceed. In this window, you'll find the Custom Instructions option. This feature allows you to provide instructions to your bot to set a custom tone, voice, and limitations on the bot's responses. Let's toggle this button on. Now let's set a tone for our bot. We'll make it casual and set the length of the responses to be short. As you can see, setting the tone and response length for your bot is quite straightforward. Moreover, you can instruct your bot on what topics to avoid or include. Let's begin by imagining we're a customer support bot for a financial service company. Although we're not allowed to provide investment advice, we can guide users through the account management transaction process. Let's proceed by inputting this into the bot. Once done, click on the Save button. Now, we have set it a casual and short response. To test this chatbot, simply click on the Test button. Now let's ask the chatbot, what stocks should I invest in today? As we have previously instructed it to avoid investment advice, the chatbot responds, I'm sorry, but I can't provide investment advice. It's best to consult with a financial advisor or do your own research. Now, let's navigate back to the chatbot settings. This time, we'll change the short response to a longer one. Click on the Save button to confirm this change. Now, let's revisit the chatbot to see how the length of the answer has changed. Let's ask the same question. What stock should I invest in today? Now, the response is longer and still maintains a friendly and casual tone. The chatbot says, as much as I would love to help you, I am not allowed to provide investment advice. Finally, let's try a professional response and make it longer. Now, click on the Save button, then return to the chatbot, refresh it, and ask the same question again. You'll notice that the answer is professional and detailed. This is how you can set the tone and length of your bot's responses. So this is how you can adjust the tone of your bot and the length of your bot's responses. This concludes our tutorial on custom instructions. We eagerly anticipate seeing you in the next one.